welcome back. It's going to be a few days in my life right before I leave to the Philippines. I have started packing. I'm literally taking this little bag. You can see, tiny little bag that I'm taking because it's gonna be hot. Minimal clothing. I'll show you when I actually like fully pack it, but the little packing cells like help so much. So I'll clarify that in a few days. Right now I have some deadlines to meet before my holidays. I really need to get the assignments done. So today is going to involve a workout I'm about to head to and then assignments. Let's do this. A few days in my life and then I will take you along with me when I'm in the Philippines and vlog it all.
What has made that work? They didn't have social media. They didn't question their relationship when things got hard. They didn't label the person as gaslighting, a narcissist, or this or that. And it doesn't mean that there aren't narcissists and that people don't gaslight. It doesn't mean that. It means that we need to stop just slapping a label on something and then turning the other direction, because we deserve more as women. And we're independent, and we're not gonna fucking put up with this shit. Like, yeah, there is an element of that, don't put up with fucking shit. But if there is little bits of shit every once in a while.
I need some water.
Is this mine?
You can have it, yeah. Like 3/4 of a scoop, that's all I have.
Straighten up.
Cheers.
That was bad, yeah. Yeah, get the gun.
Lick it. No. We got some zoomies out. Oh.
Anyway, that was workout done. Like I said, fitting in a few workouts, lots and lots of deadlines for uni before we fly in. What day is it? Tuesday? 5 days. Less than 5 days and I'm flying to the Philippines. I cannot wait. So yeah, I'd been bulking majority of the last like 4 months, and that I built like a lot of muscle over this time, which is really good. So I've never really done like a consistent bulk before a shred, and it was honestly a really easy cut for me because I built a lot of muscle over this time. The cut felt like nothing. It was super easy. It wasn't really like super strict on it, and I still was able to hit my goals. I still ate very like consistently. Like I just kind of always eat the same similar meals, but I still went out for dinner sometimes, and I could easily not track a day and I would still know where I was sitting. So it became really easy for me, and that is the goal. Once you've done a cut and a bulk a few times, you get really consistent at it, and it becomes so much easier, so much less of like having to think about it, and it just comes naturally to you in your thought process during the day, and it really does not take any mental toll on me. My energy level still felt fantastic due to all the caffeine helps, but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take some videos and photos and then study. I need a little more.
I'm never allowed what I want. I do it like this every morning, and it's like, I'm never allowed. Every morning I make my oats the way, and then Lilybelle says, it's not 50 grams, so I'll have 45 grams.
Who makes the best oats?
But who wants my version of the oats? Me.
Not me.
Well, these are mine, not yours.
You do? Shrunk. Give me up. Ah, sit.
I actually prefer mangoes. Maybe a bit more.
Who taught you this?
Where did you get this recipe from though? Did you just make it?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
OG oats, you can only make it one way if you want it to taste this good.
Breakfast done. His vitamin D report assignment completed. That is the goal. It is almost done, but I need to do a little diagram of like vitamin D chemical pathway, metabolizing in the body, and how it can affect anemia if you're deficient in vitamin D. That's what I'm studying. Putting myself in a very quiet, bare, non-stimulating room, literally bare minimum. I've just got my laptop sitting on a textbook. I'm currently at my boyfriend's house, so that's also why I'm not at my desk. But I love kind of doing this every now and then when I just need to really focus. It's like just being in a pure, plain room, nothing else but your laptop, iPad. And I'm just gonna do solid work, getting this assignment done. I need to draw something like this. Can I do it?
You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go.
Coffee has been in my head. This vitamin D diagram may well and truly fry all my own brain cells, but it's okay. It's a new day, so that means T-minus 4 days to the Philippines. I have worked this morning, I had work, and now I have literally not left my desk. The Pomodoro timer has been my best friend because I am, there goes the washing machine, also doing lots of washing so I can pack for the trip. But I'm so close to finishing this assignment, so I literally just sat at my screen, and I will pack all of this on camera.
You're gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'm gonna need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you, cause I could do.
I've been studying my butt off. Like I said, T-minus 4 days till I'm getting on a flight. I have some assignments to submit, which I submitted 2 drafts up to like Studiosity, which give you feedback and stuff before you like fully submit it, which I freaking love Studiosity. Like, it is literally game changing. Especially when your brain is fried and you just don't pick up on all those like proof editing little bits and pieces. Anyway, it's time for dessert. So I'm having Barney Fit, fresh raspberries, like that's a lot of raspberries going on. I'm gonna have a banana, a little bit of dark chocolate. This is what we're working with. trialed slash basically fully packed. You may or may not believe it when I show you this tiny little bag and that it has both mine and my boyfriend's clothes, every single one of them in there. We're putting our toiletries and accessories in a slightly like separate carry-on, but this is our other carry-on that just has all our clothes. It's insane. Let me show you. This is what I'm wearing on the plane. This is just our accessory bag, toiletries, and this is the tiny little bag. For reference, that is my shoe. This has mine and my boyfriend's clothes all in here. Very, very proud that we can pack this light. It's 2 weeks. It just has like 3 jam-packed little compartments. Can you fit in there? Packing done. I feel like I might actually wrap the video up here because then the next footage you'll see, I will be in the Philippines. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try and maybe do 1 or 2 parts of the Philippine trip, but so excited. If you want to see us go to Siargao, El Nido, Puerto Princesa, Cebu, they're all the places we're heading for 2 weeks. Oh my god, I just cannot believe this is happening. So I hope you enjoyed seeing us pack, seeing a bit of detail and insight into how I kind of did a mini cut, shred my fitness goals right before my holiday, just to feel good, look good, and to enjoy my trip. I will see you on the other side of the airplane.